Here we have a sample graphic interpretation problem from a data insight section of an official GMAT practice exam over at MBA.com. And anytime you encounter a graphic interpretation question such as this, you really need to understand the graphic irrespective of what is being asked to start. So we see we've got a title of total world credit market debt. We've got it measured in trillions, and then we've got years, and everything is basically on a 5-year interval in the graph. So then we read from the beginning of the paragraph below. For the years 1972 to 2007, total world credit market debt, as measured in trillions of dollars, is accurately modeled by the equation that y equals n times 2 to the k power times t minus 1972. And n and k are positive constants, and t denotes the year. Okay, simple enough. Well, we know at this point one value of that total world credit market debt immediately. We know it at 1972 is going to be equal to, it looks like, about $3 trillion, roughly. So then we know that at that value, t is going to be equal to 1972. So we know that 3 is going to be equal to n times 2 to the k, because 1972 minus 1972 is just k. And at this point, I recognize that the only way that I'm going to have a 3 come from a base of 2 is that means that k has to be equal to 0, because then I get 1, which means that my n has to be equal to 3. It's all logical evaluation, not full calculation. So we can come over here, we find 3, and you shouldn't even need to go and look at what the answer choices are for most individually structured graphic interpretation questions, because you should be able to get the answer without really even seeing the answer choices. Hopefully you're enjoying the tips in this video, and if you are, please do like it and consider subscribing so you can get notified when additional videos are released by MyGuru. Additionally, check out the links down below, because they can take you to this page where you can request a free consultation with an expert GMAT tutor such as myself, and they'll also show you where you can access our online self-paced prep course brought to you by MyGuru and Analyst Prep. Then we've got, if the model continues to be accurate beyond 2007, okay, the TWCMD will equal approximately double the 2007 value in the year. Well, okay, so our value here is like, what is that, 42 and a half, 43? And we see that it basically doubled within 10 years. So it looks like it's got to double in way less than that now. So if we just keep looking at this, it can't be doubling in more than 10 years. So our correct answer has to be 2016. It's an estimation thing. And you can see from this approach how, by understanding the graphic up front, we're able to avoid way too much overcomplication, which ultimately ends up being a relatively simple example problem.